Hi guys! Welcome back to Iryn's vlog. So, we're here now guys. Nakapark na kami. Nasa ibang area kami this time guys. We found another spot here. Ayan, pwede sila mag-sledding dyan mamaya sa labas. So, we're inside here now in the camper guys. Magbe-breakfast muna kami, then we're gonna get ready for the snow. So it's good guys, nakaluto ako ng pansit. Ayan, may baon kami, may biko. We also have some rice and we brought hot dogs and what else? Basta meron kaming dala-dala guys. Kasi walang restaurant dito sa mountain. So may microwave, iinitin ko lang guys. Getting ready now guys. Ando na sa labas yung twins. Ayan yung get up ko. Ayan, naka-cold. Taba ko dito. Ayan. So magre-ready na ako guys, palabas. Kadoble-doble tayo guys. Kailangan natin ng hat, syempre kasi sunny. Kahit malamig pero sunny siya guys. Ito pang ano sa sun kasi pang block sa sun. Guys, pupuntahan na natin yung kambal. Ah, grabe. Masilaw yung sun sa mata. There you go. Over there. Doon sila sa taas guys. So it's all fresh snow here guys. Because the whole week, last week, it was snowing up here. Ay my god! Tingnan nyo naman guys. Ang lalim oh. Almost ano na, tuhod ko guys. There are people doing the snowmobile here guys. Yung mga naka-private, meron sila their own snowmobile. It's not cold! Yay! Ang ganda ng weather! Sobrang taas ng araw guys, mainit. Kaya hindi mo feel. So kahit one layer lang pala, naka-tatlong layer kasi ako. Mayroon akong dala guys na step, parang ano, upuan ko siya habang nandito sa labas. Oh, 'di ba? Oh. Sobrang kapal ng snow. It's deep. Wow! Good job! Nice, Yana! Fun? Look at that guys, they start to strip off Patty because she said she's so hot. So just leave the sweater on and this jacket.
Okay, let's put this
Someone got hot guys.
No,
Because the sun is so
I'm
ano,
gonna take this out.
nakafocus
leave
sa
with the
amin
other one.
guys.
We're gonna take this off and just leave the other
Mainit
one.
nga oh.
This one.
No, you have to
Mainit
have the one
guys.
that's
It's
waterproof.
hot. Yeah.
Mommy, can I dance?
Ariana, you wanna take off one layer? Okay, come here. Slide down and come here.
She's gonna be too hot. She's got that on, this on.
Okay.
If she gets cold, we can always let it back. Right now, she's too hot. Put your arm in.
Feel better now, Yana?
Better, Pat? Yeah, see. I'll bring this one back up so it's back.
Kasi ayan yung sun, no? Naka-focus talaga. So may mga dumating guys, oh. Meron silang dalang trailer kasi dala-dala nila yung kanilang mga snowmobile. May nag-i-snowmobile dito guys. Ito yung may mga may-ari. Sarili nila yung snowmobile, hindi nila nilibenta.
Mommy, she's going.
I know. That's so nice, Ariana. You're getting so much better. Sobrang ganda ng weather talaga guys. As in, imagine nasa snow ka pero mainit. Kala ko malamig. Doble-doble yung suot ko. Kaya pinagpapawisan yung kambal, guys. We're just cutting firewoods. Kasi luluto kami dito sa labas ng hotdog. I know. Sobrang init. Even we're in the snow, guys. We're all sweaty. So we did sledding, guys. The three of us and the twins in one sled. Para na rin ako nag-hike, guys. How deep is the snow, guys? Lalim. Ang tuhod ko yan, guys. Yan yung mga ano ko. Step. Here comes the snow. Woo! 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 You okay? Are you okay, Anna?
Yeah.
Look at me. All covered with snow. Oh my God, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Hi, Pat Pat. How is it going there, Pat? Doing great. There's Ariana. Powdery snow. Pahinga muna ako, guys, dito sa may ilalim ng puno. Kasi it's shady a little bit. Nakailang sledding din ako, guys. Napagod lang akyat baba. Oh my goodness. Ay, naka-stuck ata ako, guys. Oh my God. Malambot ako dito. Kasi powdered yung snow, guys. Yan, oh. Na dito sa ilalim ng puno, guys. So nakahiga ako ngayon dito, guys. Sa my sled. Resting. Very nice. Where did you get all the fire sticks?
I went up to the woods and found some down trees.
They're dry?
And I cut them off. It's not the wood that we had before. It's some more.
Is this the only one you make? Or the hot dog too? This way it's all cooked.
Sister, I want that.
Ayan, ito, guys. Yung step. This is the step you bought for the just to hold the extra weight.
No, because I don't want to have to put the leg all the way down. So
Oh.
I can use this. These are just, you don't lift the truck off the camper with the camper off the truck with this. It won't hold. It's not made for that. This is just meant for leveling.
Oh.
That's all it's for. So I don't have to put the leg all the way to the ground. So I just put that there, and it'll just go down a few inches, and I can level it. It depends. It was only up
So you bought
front.
4? Four of them?
I had them already.
Oh, okay.
So what I did was I just modified them so I could use them for this,
Okay.
and just so I can level it without.
Oh my.
Oh, it's starting to get a little brown.
Oh
It's starting to
yeah,
cook.
it's starting to get a little bit brown. I'm starting. I'm just doing blue.
Right?
Did you know girls can
Nice
be
and
stronger
warm
than
now.
boys?
Everybody warmed up now. We happy?
Watch out, sister. Get away! I don't care if I get burned. Daddy, is it fun if we chopped it? Like, could we eat it with this?
No, Ma, we're gonna have rice, beans,
Yeah.
and we're
Yeah.
gonna cut that up inside the rice and beans.
Mhm,
We're
it will
gonna go
taste good.
inside.
A
Yeah.
little sriracha sauce.
Yeah. But where are we gonna eat? Could we eat outside?
Sit
I
down here.
want to sit down inside and relax. Having some lunch now, and then rest, and then go back outside again and play. There's movie here.
Donna, can you please share? Put it in the middle.
Run a generator.
Middle, the middle.
Yeah.
Just have everything working.
Okay guys, so we had lunch. We had a late lunch and then we rested. The girls took a nap. So they just got up. Oh my god. Ang lalim. So they just got up and it's around 5:30 now guys. So they have a couple of hours to play before we lose daylight. Still got daylight until 7:30 because we just got a daylight saving in USA. And then we go back in the camper and camp for the night here. Then tomorrow we're going to the post office for their passport appointment. Come on, go play. You only have an hour and a half to play out here and then it's gonna get dark soon. There's a few family here guys. They have their snowmobile and sleds. I'm going to do sledding. I don't know guys, even it's tiring. It's fun though. I mean, you're not doing it like most of the time, like all the time. Steer, Pat, steer! Oh, that's good.
Go. How's your butt, Pat?
My butt is good, Dad.
Go.
Wow.
You gotta hold on, man. No, you're not. Otherwise, you would have fell off. Pat, go ahead, go. You're up. Don't be scared. Just go, Pat. You're fine. Hold on. So keep your butt. Keep your butt. Hold on. Hold on. See? See? If you keep hold on, you're not going to fall off. You're on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Whoa. You're fine. Hold on. Pull yourself. Pull yourself. No, you let go with this hand, and all of a sudden you let go. Go, Pat. Hold on tight and go. Go, Pat. Go. You're doing good, Pat. Hold tight, man. What is the Pat? Hold tight. See, Yana, if you just hold on.
I'll show you the whole place guys. Ang ganda.